Good day to all of you students. Today we will take up exercise number 1.4 from textbook about union, intersection and difference and disjoint sets. I will do few sums and wherever I feel they are easy I will try to leave out like this. So find the union of following pairs of sets. Now this seems to be very easy. A is given to me as or rather x. It is given to me as 1, 3 and 5. And y is given to me as 1, 2, 3. So if I want union, x union y, very simple children. I will write all the elements 1, 2, 3, 5. In union, what do we do? In previous video we learned that in union we will include all the elements of both the sets. Even if it is present only in one set, even if the element is present only in one set, we will take it. That is the way we take union. So I think you can do this. Then this was 1. Second question is, supposing A is A, B and B is A, B and C. Is A subset of B? Yes, because all elements of A are present in B. So A is subset of B, that is correct. What is A union B? So what will be A union B? That will be simply A, B, C, and we already saw in the properties. When one set is subset of another, the union is the bigger set. You can see that. That is easy like that. Then, okay, there are 4 sets given to me. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Then C is 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this I mean. So we have to find out A union B. What will be that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A union B. A union C, this and this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6, 7, 8. B union C, these two. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B union D, this and this. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A union B union C, all the 3 union. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6 and 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is A union B union C. A union B union D. A union B union D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A union B union D. B union C union D. Union of these 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is about union. I think that's easy. Then he says, find intersection of each of the pairs. So I want A intersection B. Common elements of A and B. That will be 3, 4. A intersection C. Common elements of A and C. Any common elements? No. Null set. Like this or like this. Any one. B intersection C. Common elements of B and C. They are 5 and 6. B intersection D. Any elements of B and D common? B and D, no element common. The answer is null set or like this. A intersection B intersection C. Common elements of all the 3. See, these 2, 3, 4 are common. And in B and C, 5, 6 are common. So no element will be common. See, 1 is not present in all 3. 2 is not present in all 3. 3 is not present in all 3. 3 is here and here but not here. 4 is here, here but not here. 3 not there. 5 is here and here but not here. 6 is here and here but not here. 7 alone here, 8 alone here. So no element is common. So answer will be null set. Okay, because all the 3 sets don't have any common element. Then A, B, D. A intersection B intersection D. C is 1 present in A, B, D? No. 2? No. A, B and D. 3 is present in all 3? No. 3 is here and here but not here. 4 is here and here but not there. Okay. 3 not there. 5 no, it is not there. 6 also not there. Then 7, 8, 9, 10 no. So this also is what? Null set. No element common. Then B intersection C intersection D. B, C, D anything common from here, here and here. 3 not present in all. 4 not present in all. 5 present here and here but not here. 6, so I think nothing is common. Again this is also null set. Like this you are having. Okay. So I hope you have understood what is the meaning of intersection and what is the meaning of union. Union means take all the elements, intersection means take only the common elements. A, B, C, D are given again. A is given to me as 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is given to me as 7, 9, 11, 13. C is given to me as 11, 13 and 15. And D is given to me as 15, 17. So we have to find A intersection B. Common elements of A and B. 7, 9, 11. Common elements of A and B. We can see that. B intersection C. So common elements of B and C. Common elements of B and C 11 and 13. Okay, then A intersection C intersection D. Common elements of A, C, D, these three sets. So 3 present here but not here, 5 not in here, 7 not here, 9, 11 is here and here but not here, 15 is here and here but not here, so nothing is common. So null set. Then A intersection C, common elements of A and C, only element 11. Okay. Then B intersection D, B intersection D, common elements, anything common? Nothing is common, null set. Then A intersection B union C. A means 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union C. B union C, unite them. 7, 9, 11, 13. This is 11 and 15. C, B union C, B and C. Now their intersection, anything common? 3 not there, 7 is there, 9 is there and 11 is there. Then A intersection D. A and D, anything common? A and D. Nothing is common. So null set. Any one thing you can write, not necessary to write both. Then A intersection B union D. B union D. First you write A, that is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. That is A with me. Intersection B and D union. So 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Intersection. 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is common, 9 is common, 11 is common. This will be A intersection B union. Then you want A intersection B, intersection B union C. So what will be A intersection B? Common elements of A and B, 7, 9, 11. B union C, unite B and C. So 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Please see. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Union may be write all the elements. Now intersection again I have to see only common elements. 7 is common, 9 is common, 11 is common. So like this, if there is a mixed combination, union intersection, like this you have to do. Please pause and copy if you are interested. These are very easy sums. My advice is you practice on your own instead of copying away. You can check the answers in those given in the textbook. Then see. A is a set such that x is a natural number. So x is a natural number means a will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and like this. B is a set, x is an even natural number. B is an even natural number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 like this. Only 3 dots should come, children. Compulsory. Then C, x is an odd natural number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 1, 2, 3. Then D is a prime number. So D will be a prime number means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, dot dot. He says find A intersection B. A intersection B. Anything can be common? Yes, all these numbers. So that will be the set B itself, we can see. All these numbers will come because this is subset of this. Then find A intersection C. This and this. These all numbers are over here. So this will be C. Then A intersection D. All these numbers will be here. So that will be D only. Then B intersection C. Anything common? No. One is odd natural number, one is even, so nothing common. Then B intersection D. These two. Here all odd numbers, only one will be even, prime. So only number 2 will come. Only one element common. C intersection D. These two. Here all odd prime numbers are there, and over here these. So what will be intersection? It will be 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, dot dot dot. This way we will get intersection. So all these elements of D will be there because all these elements are already present. 2 will not be there because 2 is there but not here. Okay. See children. We are having A as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21, multiples of 3. B is multiples of 4 up to 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is given to me as 2, 4, 8, 10 like this. 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. And D is multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15 and 20. We want to get A minus B. So all those elements of A which are not present in B. So we can write 3, 6 I can write because it is not in B. 9 also I can write. 12 I cannot write. 15 I can write. 18 I can write. 21 also I can write. That is A minus B. Then A minus C. All those elements of A which are not present in C. So 3 I can write. 6 is not here. So C may 2, 4, 6 is also there. Sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 3 I can write. 6 I cannot write. 9 I can write. 12 I can write. 15 I can write. 18 I can write. 21 I can write. Which are common will get cancelled. A minus D. So from here, so 3 I can write. 6 is not here, so I can write. 9 is not here, so I can write. 12 is not here, so I can write. 15 is here, I cannot write. 18 I can write. 21 I can write. A minus D. Then B minus A means I will keep eye on B. 4 is not here, I can write. 8 is not here, I can write. 12 is here, I cannot write. 16 is not here, I can write. 20 is not here, I can write. B minus, I will look at B. Then C minus A. So 2 I can write because it is not there. 4 I can write. 6 is here, I cannot write. 8 I can write. 10 I can write. 12 I cannot write. 14 I can write. And 16 I can write. Like this C minus A. Then D minus A. 5 is not here, so 5 I can write. 10 is not here, so 10 I can write. 15 is here, I cannot write. 20 I can write. That is D minus A. B minus C. B minus C. 4 I cannot write. 8 I cannot write. 12 I cannot write. 16 I cannot write. I can write 20. B minus D. From here, 4 I can write because it is not here. 4 I can write. 8 I can write. 12 I can write. 16 I can write. 20 I cannot write. 20 will get cancelled. Okay. C minus B. C minus B. 2 I can write. 4 I cannot write. 6 I can write. 8 will get cut. 10 I can write. 12 I cannot write. 14 I can write. 16 I cannot write. That is C minus B. D minus B. D minus B. 5 I can write, it is not here. 10 is not here, so I can write. 15 is not here, so I can write. 20 is here also, so I cannot write. So 5 and then 15. C minus D. 2 I can write. 4 also I can write. 6 also and 8 also. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 will get cut. 12 I can write. 14 I can write. 16 I can write. 12, 14, 16. C minus D. D minus C. 5 I can write. 10 I cannot write. 15 I can write. 20 I can write. So many examples. ठीक है? Like this you have to do. Now see, if R is a set of real numbers and Q is a set of irrational numbers, then what is R minus Q? R minus Q, this set of real numbers, and Q is a set of rational numbers. So from real numbers, take away all the rational numbers. What will remain? Only the irrational numbers. So this will be equal to T. T is the symbol for set of irrational numbers in your textbook. So we write T. That is answer. State whether the following are true or false. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6. They are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means their intersection should be null set, means they should have no element in common. But I think 3 is common. So their intersection is 3, which is not null set. Therefore these two sets are not disjoint because their intersection is not null set. If intersection of two sets is null set, if they don't have any element in common, then only they are called disjoint sets. A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D. Is there any element common? What is the intersection? Set A, which is not a null set. 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11 and 15. Anything common? No. So this is true. This was false. This was false. This is true because no element common. So like that. Okay children. So this is about your 1.4. And children, in the last video I had asked you, what is PPP5, and I told you I'll give you the answer in the next video. We want power set of null set. See children, power set of null set. Null set means having no element. So there will be one subset only, 2 raised to 0. So that will be null set itself. So this will be power set of null set. Power set means set of all the subsets. If I think this as A, so this is equal to PPPA, where A is null set. If A is null set, what is the subset? Or null set itself. So I put that set over here, so it becomes power set. Now this set is having one element, so its power set will have 2 raised to 1 subsets, means 2 subsets. So power set of subset will be null set and this element, like this you will have. This was one element, supposing A, I think that this is element A, supposing. So if there is an element A, what will be the power set? Null set NA. Yes, there is element A, we will write all the subsets. If there is a set having element A, what are the subsets? Null set and set A. I put them in a set, so it becomes power set. And now this is equal to 5, and what is this A element means? 5. Instead of A, I write 5. Inside a set, 5. Now think 5 means AB, where A will be 5 and B will be like this. Understand? This I am taking as B, this I have taken as A. So now my PP5 is AB. If I want to make power set of this, that will be null set A, B and AB. ठीक है? Let us put back null set. What is A? Null set. What is B? B is set null set. And this is A means null set. Like this equation. This is power set of null set. Like this equation. Okay, thank you and God bless you children.